Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create modern travel poster design in Adobe Photoshop. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Go to the rectangle tool, and create a long shape. Apply black fill, and stroke to none. Open Layer Panel, and press Ctrl+J for duplicate copy. Press Ctrl+T, and move the shape forward and place it here. Press Alt+Shift+T to repeat. Hold Shift key, and select all layers. Press Ctrl+T and drag them toward the right. Select the first layer. Go to the File menu, Place Embedded, select your image and click on Place. Adjust the image size and position. Right-click, and choose Create Clipping Mask. Repeat the process for the other layers. Open the Adjustments panel and create a solid color adjustment layer. Apply the black color to it. Click on its mask, select the Gradient tool and apply like this. Again, create a blue solid color adjustment layer. Apply like the previous. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. Select text to change its font. I am using SF Transrobotics font. Follow my other text settings. Create a rectangle shape. Round its corners a little bit. Add text to it. Place the social media icons here. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.